Hey everyone, my name is Ashley. I am going to be showing you how we can create a scale feature in a widget. Today we're going to be using my favorite scene, which is the attic scene. And let's go ahead and jump right in. This is such a beautiful scene to me. I really love it so much. There's so much in here. The physics are very cool. Let's see if we can play it. Just awesome. The lights are so pretty. Ooh, let's pause this. It doesn't matter what kind of view you're looking in, it all just looks really nice. So we're going to stick with our path tracing view just because it is the prettiest to look at. And today we're going to be working with the widget extension. So that's this one here. I got it from the GitHub. When you click on any kind of prim, which is in our stage here, these are all of our prims. We have a widget, and in our widget we have our prim path, and we have a scaling slider. This scaling slider for the sample doesn't work, but today we're going to make it work. So let's go ahead and jump in. We're going to click the extension in the extension manager. Our preferred IDE is Visual Studio Code, so that pops up for me here. I'm going to click it, and it's going to open up Visual Studio Code. And the file we're going to be working in to make this scale work is the widget info manipulator.py script. That is in our extensions and in our omni.example.ui scene widget info. So first off, we need to import what we're going to be using, and that's going to be the graphics foundation. So from PXR, import G, S, and we're going to locate our update scale function, which is all the way down here, so we're over here. Okay, wait here. And right now, it just prints something. It really doesn't do much. Like if we go back to Omniverse code and we try to change that slider, you'll notice in our console, it just says print changing scale, but it doesn't actually change the scale. So let's go ahead and do that. Oops, I accidentally undid the GS, so let's go back down all the way over here. Okay. So first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to we can leave the print. Let's leave the print, and we're going to add the stage. So the stage is what USD uses in order to find the context of the prim path and the selected prim. So we'll define our stage variable with our model. We're going to get the USD context. That's an underscore, not a period. Get stage, which is a function. Then we're going to define our prim. Our prim is on the stage. We need to get the prim path, prim at path, spell things correctly, and this is the model's current path. Next, we are going to grab the scale. This is where we're going to use our graphics foundation in order to change the scale. So scale is our prim. We are going to get the attribute of the xform, OP. We're getting the scale attribute, and next line, make it pretty, scale.set our graphics foundation, which is using a vector 3D, and we are going to just pass in our values for X, Y, and Z. And let's go ahead and boom, save. Okay. And let's go back to Omniverse code and see if it worked. Okay, so we're back in Omniverse code. Let's go to the viewport. Our widget disappeared. That's okay. We'll just click another one. And we're going to grab our couch. Our couch did scale, so it did work. It kind of disappeared because it went really small. But there we go. We just keep scaling, and we got it to work. So simple. Yay! Well, thank you all for joining me on this very quick how-to for our widget info, which is available in our GitHub. And absolutely check out the contest that we have going on. It will be up until August 19th, 2022, and winners will be announced at GTC at the end of September in 2022. The runner-up has chances to win a 3090 Ti GPU, but the grand prize is the A6000 GPU. So I definitely want to see some awesome entries into our developer contest, which you can get in the links below. Thanks, guys.